Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online class. So, today we will be doing our chapter number 18, that is from your EVS book, page number 146. And the topic for this chapter is too much water, too little water. So, today we are starting our new chapter, that is chapter number 18, and the topic is too much water. That means the place or the times when we will have more water and the too little water means when we will have no water or only few less water, that means less water. Okay, so what to drink? So you can see here that we are talking about the place or the here the place mentioned is Nalamada, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so Saguna was reading her book when she heard someone at the door. She saw that there was a visitor from the city. Appa welcomed the guest. He told Selva to bring a cold drink for him. The guest said, "I do not take cold drinks. I will just have a glass of water." So a girl named Saguna was reading her book. Okay, she was reading her book, and when she was reading her book, she heard someone at the door. That means someone knocked the door, and when she opened the door, when she saw that in the door there was a visitor, that means the one who came, okay, to their family or to their home to visit them from the city. That visitor was from the city. Okay, and her appa welcomed the visitor or the guest, and her appa told Selva to, that means Selva is Saguna's brother. Okay, Saguna's brother. So her father told his brother to, that means Selva, to bring water, a cold drink, okay, for the visitor or the guest. And but the guest said that no, I will not drink the cold drinks, but rather than cold drinks, I would like to have a glass of water. Okay, the visitor or the guest said. Appa said, "These days we are not getting water that is not fit for drinking. We are not getting water." That means, then when the visitor said that no, I will not have the cold drink, but instead of cold drinks, I want to have a glass of water. Then Appa said, that means Saguna's father said that these days the water which we get is not so clean, and or we are not getting the clean water, and that is not fit for drinking. We are getting water, but that is not so clean, or because that is dirty one and not so clean, that is why that is not fit for drinking. So uh, it does not even look clean. That water whichever Selva or Saguna's family were getting, that was not looking clean also. It would be better if you do not drink this water. We do not have a choice, so we drink it. So when guest said no, then father said that we are not getting the clean water, so instead of that we also drink cold drinks. So we don't have, you also don't have choice, so you also drink cold drinks only, because the water which we get is not so clean. Okay, so Appa told the visitor. So how can unclean or dirty water harm our body? How? You have to mention that. Have you ever got dirty or unclean water in your area? What was the reason for this? Do you know anyone who has fallen sick because of such water? If the water is dirty and after consuming that water, has anyone fallen sick? You have to answer it. And what was the reason? Talk about this. You have to talk about whatever the reason was. When the guest came to Saguna's house, they offered him a cold drinks because they thought he should not drink such water. What do you think Saguna's family must be doing for their own drinking water? The guest said he did not take cold drinks. Why do you think he said this? So you have to answer all these things. Okay, so another one, before this we read about what to drink, because and I told you that they were also drinking cold drinks instead of water. So we read about that, and now here another one is water games. Okay, whatever is played on the water. Okay, Bazar Gaon, Maharashtra. So the place we are talking about now is Maharashtra, Bazar Gaon. Okay, Bazar Gaon, Maharashtra. There was a big water park near Bazar Gaon. One day Rohan and Reena went with their parents to the water park. There were many water fountains. Rina said, Look, Rohan. Rohan, there are so many rides in the water. And look at all this. High ponds, said Rohan. Splash, splash, splash. Both turned around. They saw a long, thick water hose going zoom, zoom, zoom. So now we are talking about Rohan and Rina. They both went to the Bazar Gaon. In Bazar Gaon there was a big water park. That means the where we can play or we can do whatever with the water. Not whatever we can play with in the water. So they went. Rohan and Rina went to that water park with their parents. Okay, and there when they went there they saw many fountains like water fountains. And Rina said to Rohan that look, there are so many water rides in the water. There are so many rides in that month. That means in the water there were so many rides. So she said Rohan that there are so many water rides. So and Rohan again said, look at those big ponds. There were big ponds. And he said that look at all these big ponds. Okay, to Rina. So and Rohan said, okay, then when they both turned around, then they saw long thick water hose, and that was going zoom zoom. All the things, everything they saw in the water, and that all the thing whatever they saw, those all were very wonderful, and those were all very nice. Okay, and they felt happy. So, children were sliding down a big tall slide and landing in water with a loud splash. So, they also saw that so many children were playing slides like in the water, and they were sliding from the high slide, and they were jumping, or they were landing on the water. Okay, down there was a water, and there were high slides, and from that slide they were jumping, or they were landing on the water. And the splash means when we jump into the water, we can see the drops flying in the air, and those are called splash. And Rohan got into a swing high above. Whoosh! Within a second, he had landed in the water. Rima gave a shriek of surprise. So when they saw all the children playing with the water, and they were sliding in the slide, and Rohan also what he did, he swing, okay, high above the he also swing. That means he also was going there, he was also going to play with the water. So he swing high. That means in the high, like means he swing high, and within a second what happened, he landed on the water. And that time Rina was surprised. Okay, she was surprised. Just then they heard a lot of noise and loud voices from outside the park. So after when they were doing all the things, they heard so many voices or loud noise outside the park, that the noise or the loud voices were coming out, they coming from outside the park. Okay, everyone ran towards the main gate. So all the people, or whoever were there, the childrens or whatever whoever were playing in the water, they all ran. Okay, they all ran towards the main gate. That means the entrance. Okay, there was a crowd of people carrying empty buckets and pots. There were so many people, and they all were carrying empty buckets, means the without any water or without anything, buckets and pots. They were carrying so many buckets and pots, and there were a huge crowd. Okay, that means so many people. A small child carrying an empty bottle was clinging to his mother. So that means one small child, and he was carrying an empty bottle without any water or anything, and he was, that means clinging, that means he was hanging, okay, hanging to his mother. Rohan's mother went to one of the women in the crowd. So Rohan's and Rina, both of their mother went near to the crowd, and he went she went to one woman. What's the matter, she asked. So Rina's mother asked that woman that what is the matter, okay, whatever is happening. So she asked. The woman replied angrily, you asked what's the matter. Our wells have no water. We get our water only when the tankers comes once a week. Today even that has not come, and here there is so much water everywhere just for you all to play and enjoy. Tell me, what should we do? So when Rina's mother went near to one woman in the crowd and she asked about whatever the matter is, that woman replied to Rina's mother that you are asking what is the matter with us. She asked angrily, okay, we have no water in our wells, and whatever water we get, that whatever water we are getting, we will get it once in a week, and that also when the tanker will come. So but today the tanker has also not come. So but here you have lots of water just to play and enjoy, because they were in the water park. So there all the waters were just there just to for the fun and just to enjoy, okay. So she was angry with Rina's mother. So she said that tell me, what should we do, because they had no water for drinking also, okay, that is why they were drinking. So you can see that some people will have no water, sometimes no water, and sometimes less water. But also you can see in the parks and all, when water parks and all, there will be so much of water, and all the waters are just wasted, because if they that waters are utilized for a good purpose, then that would be nice. But instead of that, so many water are wasted there just for fun, okay. That's why the woman was also angry. So you can see here, have you ever faced a shortage of water in your house? When? So you have to ask whether when the water was, when you did not get water and you had the shortage, means uh, when you don't have water or you have just less water, okay, that is shortage. And when did you face that one? You have to write what did you do then when you were having the shortage of water, then that time how did you manage? You have to answer the thing. Have you ever played in water? Where and when? Are there times when you are not allowed to play in water? What are the reasons for this? Have you seen wastage of water in your area discussed? You have to give it. The water park had a lot of water to play in, but the nearby villages, people did not have water even to drink. I told you that before also. Think about it and discuss. If you go to a water park, find out from where the water comes to the park. You have to write it. Another one is, can we drink this? You can see Coffee Parade, Mumbai. So we are talking about a place, Coffee Parade, and that is in Mumbai, okay. The lift stopped at the 26th floor. You know that when there are any tall buildings, so there will be floors, 1, 2, 3, 4 floors, and the lift, okay, which is used to go up from the down floor to the first floor to the top floor, and from the top floor down to the first floor, that is lift, okay, because that will be difficult for us to walk the stairs. That is why we use lift. So that lift stopped at the 26th floor, okay. Deepak loves going to in the lift. So a man or a boy named named Deepak, he loves to go, or he loves to go using the lift. Today was a holiday in school, so it was holiday for Deepak. So that means that is he had holiday in his school. Deepak had gone with his mother to Rijaya madam's house. So that is why as it was a holiday, so Deepak went to Rajia madam's house with his mother. His mother worked there, so his mother was working in Rajia's madam's house, okay. So he went there with his mother. The house was quiet and cool and shining clean. So the house, that means Rajia's madam's house was very clean, and it was quiet, means silence, and it was very cool, okay. The Rajia was reading a newspaper. The master of that house, that means she was reading the newspaper. She smiled when she saw Deepak. So when she saw Deepak with his mother, so Rajia madam smiled, okay. See, is it a holiday today? She asked. So Rajia madam asked Deepak that is it a holiday? So she asked, she smiled and asked, okay. She switched on the TV and Deepak was soon lost in the world of cartoons. So Rajia's madam, what she did, she smiled and she said, is it a holiday? And she opened, that means she switched on the TV or the TV and Deepak started watching cartoons, okay. Rajia called out, Pushpa, it says in the newspaper that the gutter water has got mixed with the water in the drinking pipe, water pipes in this area. It says that many people are sick. So, Rajia, that means the madam of that house, called Deepak's mother, Pushpa, and her name was Pushpa. So, she said that, Pushpa, in the newspaper it is written that the dirty water or the dirty water has mixed with the water in the drinking pipe. That means the water which they were getting in that play area, that there the dirty water got mixed with the water from in that area, okay. So that is why she said that the dirty water got mixed with the water that we are drinking here in this area, and some of them even fell sick. That means some of them were suffering from diarrhea and vomiting as well, she said, okay. That means Rajia said that to Pushpa. Pushpa is Deepak's mother, okay. Why don't you throw away the water that was filled yesterday? Put some fresh water to boil for drinking. Also take also take home some boiled water for your family. Deepak was happy to hear this. He thought, at least today I will not have to stand in a queue for hours to get water for our house. It is a real holiday for me. So when Rajia, that means the because Rajia means the master or the madam of that house. So she said that all the things that some of the people got sick because the the dirty water got mixed with the drinking water, so some of them fell sick also. Then she said that whatever water was filled yesterday, you throw that one and put some fresh water and boil it, and boil it for drinking, because they cannot drink dirty water, okay. That will cause them, that will make them feel sick, okay. That is why Rajia asked Pushpa, that means Deepak mother, to throw all the dirty yesterday's water and boil new water for drinking. And she also said that take some water home also for your work, okay, or for drinking, okay. So that is why she said that. And when she said that, Deepak was very happy, because he thought that today every time whenever he goes home, he had to stand in a queue, that means in a line, to get water for his home. So he thought that today he don't have to stand in a queue. So he was very happy, and he thought that this today is a real holiday, because he did not have to go to school also, and today he will not have to stand in a queue also, okay, because they were getting water from Rajia madam's house, okay. So you can see here, write in your notebook. So here what you have to learn, what we learn is, we should not drink dirty water, because that will make us fall sick. That means sometimes we will suffer from diarrhea because of the dirty water, vomitings also. So that is why whenever we drink water, whether it looks clean, even if it looks clean, so you have to boil the water and drink, okay. For drinking purpose and for cooking purpose, you have to make sure that the water is boiled, okay. So you can see how, why was Rajia worried when she read the newspaper? Why? Because the dirty water got mixed with the clean water, that means the water which they were drinking. Rajia asked that all the water that was filled the previous day should be thrown. Could this water have been used for something else? What kinds of things? Obviously, because if they use the dirty water, whichever water was filled yesterday, that means previous day, they can use it for another purpose also. No, instead of drinking, they can use it for watering the plant, or maybe washing the clothes and all. So, in what way did she plan to clean the water? By boiling. Do you know of different ways to clean water? Describe them. How you will clean the water? You can write it there. Suppose Rajia had not read the news and everyone had drunk the water without boiling it. What could have happened? So you have to write. They will fall sick, or they will be suffering from diarrhea and vomiting. So another is, where Deepak lives, everyone had to stand in a queue to fill water from the common public tap. In Rajia's house, water comes all day in a tap. Why is this? So you have to write the answer, because in the pub because you can see the difference in the living, okay, rich people and the poor people. Rajia read news about the water in the newspaper. Have you read any news about water in the newspaper? What kinds of news you have heard or you have read? You have to write it there. So, look through the newspaper of the last 1 month. Look for all news items related to water. Whatever is related to water, you have to find it out in the last 1 month newspaper. That means newspaper will come daily, no? So, you have to find out whatever was there. That means related to water. You have to find that one. Cut them out. So, you have to cut all the things. Whatever is related to water, you have to cut the things. Stick all the cuttings together on a big paper to make a big collection, means where you will find like a gallery, okay, or the photos. Talk about what you have collected, discuss in the class. So another is, have you ever suffered from diarrhea and vomiting? If you have suffered, like sometimes maybe you have suffered from diarrhea and vomiting, how did you feel that when you were suffering from diarrhea and vomiting? How did you feel, like in your physically? What did you feel when we have diarrhea and vomiting? We lose a lot of water from our body. So whenever we are having, or whenever we are sick, then when we are suffering from diarrhea and vomiting, we will lose lots of water, because all the diarrhea, that means the dysentery, all the water will go out from our body, okay. This can be dangerous. So when we are suffering from this diarrhea and vomiting, and we will lose lots of water, that is why it is not good for health and it is very dangerous if we do not take care. So if we are suffering from this sickness, if we do not take care of it, that will be a very dangerous thing, okay. It is important that we make up for the water that we lose from our body. So how much we lose, okay, the water. So we have to get it back. That means we have to make up all the loosed water, okay. So that means whatever we lose from our body, from through diarrhea and vomiting, so that means we have to get the water back, no, because we have to make up the quantity of water in our body. It is important that we should drink a lot of water when this happens. So that is why we need to make sure that when we are suffering from this sickness, we have to drink lots and lots of water, because if we don't drink lots of water, that means the water in our body we will lose the water, through diarrhea and vomiting. That is why we need to drink lots and lots of water. We should also mix some salt and sugar in the water. So that is why when we drink water, we have to add salt and sugar also in the water. For this, mix 1 teaspoon sugar and a pinch of salt in 1 glass of boiled and cooled water. Taste it to make sure that there is not too much salt. The water should not taste more salty than our tears. So for example, if you are having diarrhea or if you are having dysentery and vomiting, what you have to do is you have to take a glass of water and you have to mix 1 teaspoon, that means 1 teaspoon of sugar, that means which we use for eating and all. That that means the spoon, okay. We have to mix 1 spoon of sugar and a pinch of salt, means 1 pinch, okay, 1 pinch of salt, and mix it in the boiled and cooled water. After that, what you have to do is you have to taste the water, and the water which we are drinking, that means during our dysentery, whenever we are having dysentery and all, we should make sure that the water should not be too salty also, and the quantity of the salt or the taste of the salt, or that salty water should not be more than our tears. That means whichever tears, when we cry and when we get the tears in our eyes, that uh, that like that only, okay, that much salty should be our water. When a person has diarrhea and vomiting, the water must be sipped slowly by them. So whenever you are suffering from diarrhea and vomiting, you should make sure that whatever water you drink, okay, that salt, the mixture of salt and sugar and in the boiled water, you have to take it in a slow way, sipping, okay, one sip, two sip, like that, not by drinking the whole in once, okay. Light food must be taken, so you have to take light food only. Babies should continue to take their mother's milk, as this is good for them. So when the child, okay, the one who is not so grown up, that means a toddler, you can see, they have to make sure that they always drink mother's milk when they are suffering from this disease or this sick illness, okay. It is also necessary to take medicines, so not only that water and mother's milk, you have to make sure that you take medicine also. Medicines, they can also be homemade remedies. So the medicine whichever you are taking, maybe it can either be homemade remedies, or as prescribed by the doctor. If the diarrhea does not stop, again, if after taking all the things, all the medicine, it is important to get the advice of the doctor. If you take all the medicines and all the things, and but also it is not stopped, you have to make sure that you have to visit the doctor.